Hello guys, so you're currently watching my pack with me vlog to the USA because I'll be moving to the USA for 9 entire months and I'll be studying there. I'll be doing my exchange year abroad and I'm so excited for this. Wish this video would be helpful. I'm providing what I packed in this video and also some things that you should take care of, like all of the documentations and all of the flights I took, like the airport experience. I hope you find this helpful.
Honestly, I thought packing would be way harder, but it actually went smoother than expected. Well, at least on camera I did. Off camera I definitely moved things around a few times because I wasn't sure if I made the right decision. You know, the classic moment when your suitcase looks perfect and then all of a sudden you're like, no, let's start over. Yeah, that happened. And since I'm heading to Iowa, I packed mostly warmer clothes, sweaters, jackets, hoodies, basically all of the cozy stuff. And speaking of luggage, I ended up with a big suitcase that had to stay under 23 kilograms, plus a carry-on bag and a backpack. Definitely too much to be carrying around an airport, and I wouldn't recommend it. So was it the perfect packing job? Probably not, but at least I'll stay warm, and if you catch me wearing 3 layers at once, just know it's survival in disguise.
And guys, so I also wanted to show you what I got for my host family, like gifts. So this is the first thing. It's like something that you can put it like as a decoration, and it's with my country and my country's flag. I really love that one. The second one is also something from my country, like as you can see, it's like a hat, a cap for my host father. Then the next one is we have the flag here once again. Guys, I have a phone call to make.
Getting phone calls from like relatives, from everybody literally asking when will you depart, when will they come to like say goodbye. Never mind. Okay, the next thing, I don't know why I got this exactly. Also Turkish coffee because they don't have Turkish coffee in America, obviously. Then we have like some kind of spice, like hot spice. I don't think that they have that one. Something for the car, once again, like a souvenir. Not exactly sure, like maybe I can give some of those, like I can try to divide those, some of them from for the brother. This is also like I'm not exactly sure. This one is for like our own domestic product, and about this one I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, we have some chocolates. Also, I don't know how to call this. It's like probably lokum as well, but as you can see, and it's like Turkish delight. It's very delicious. And then we have something like in English, probably it's like a jello, but it's not jello. This one is more consistent, more solid. So that's what we have here. Also, I can't live without this product. Like all of the Balkan people can't live without this, and if you're from the Balkans, you're going to know it. It's vegeta. It's like some kind of a spice, and it's something like you put it in every food, every dish, every meal, literally. So if it doesn't do anything for the parents or from the whole family, at least it's going to do some good for me, because I can't survive with this, literally. Never mind, once again, our own chocolate product, our own kind of I don't know how to call this, but like these are made from peanuts. Some magnets. This one is like doors, and like opens up. Also this one, this, which is not technically our own, but I really love this product, so I'm going to have it. And something for like soup spice. So this is some kind of like souvenir. Show you. I also have like another thing for their car, like something for their car, and something for like putting the candle or anything really with the flag. So maybe I can give that to my host brother. I love how our flag looks like a sun, so like I can say I'm from the land of the sun. I love my country.
Bye bye, my beautiful room. You'll be missed. Anyway, the last video from my house. Goodbye. Oh my gosh, I almost tripped and fell. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so gonna miss this place. It's very lovely, it's very pretty. I'm going to miss the most this beautiful lady here. This pretty lady.
Yes, you're also there. My mother.
Goodbye. Ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Ciao to my house, to my lovely house that I spent 17 years in. So far you've watched my packing and here the way, and I didn't film obviously here because I'm in the capital city. From like my main city, from my city where I live, I need obviously to go to the capital city because there's the airport here, and here I'll be staying overnight because the flight is scheduled at 4:25 a.m. and for that I need to be obviously at the airport by 2:30 at max, so 2:30 a.m. mind you. And after that I'll be going to Vienna. From Vienna I'll be going to the USA, to Washington DC. The flight is 9 hours and 45 minutes, so I hope that you're going to enjoy watching this. And I'll be staying in Washington for 2 entire days. From there I'm going to Chicago, from Chicago to Iowa, and that's where I'll be staying. Alright, so the official room tour. As you can see, this is the door, and from here we have the obviously very beautiful handy dandy kitchen. It's a hotel, mind you, and it has a kitchen. Never mind, this is the bedroom we're approaching currently. Has a blow dryer, very nice, and obviously very nice, beautiful looking. And then from there we're approaching the bedroom, which is, I love it, very beautiful. It has these blinds, which I don't know if they really do something, but never mind. And this is the bed, all of my stuff there, and all of my bags. Right, so basically I needed to repack a few things here. And let me start because I initially thought that I'll be wearing these 2 suitcases in like the back of the plane, you know, separately for me. But apparently this will come with me up, so I don't need this. I don't need these. Are more important things that I'll be carrying with me. This is like a scale, scale which I can see like how heavy is my suitcase. And starting. Okay, it's 20 something, 20.6 or 21, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm good until it's like 23. I need it to be like until 23. Yeah, it should be less than 23 kilograms. This is our safer. Alright guys, so it's 1 a.m. and I'm currently getting ready for going to the airport. Yeah, I should be down in the lobby by 1:55 a.m. I'm going to show you how much it's now. 1:45. You have 10 more minutes. Hello guys, I'm currently at the airport in Vienna, and here as you can see, it's very lovely. Now from Vienna to Washington, and after 2 days from Washington to Chicago and then Iowa. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in Washington, I guess. And I'm finally on the airplane. I watched 3 movies, slept 8, and somehow got through the 10 hours. And then we finally arrived at the Washington airport, finally meeting the group. After that we got a bus and we went to the hotel. Alright guys, so I just arrived in Washington in the hotel. Guess what? They had odd number of rooms and I'm alone in the room. Oh my gosh. The Work are actually sad. I'm so sorry for you, but for me, it's literally we like winning a lottery. Oh my gosh, I'm having my own room. Yeah, so nice, so great. Thank you, God. And this is probably where I'll be ending the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I'm finally in Washington and I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for my exchange year and all of the fun things I get to try during my stay here in the USA. Bye and good night.